Hello people, I'm doing the vlogging for one video because I owe Raz a vlog. She's about to hit 400,000 subscribers. Aren't you, babe?
Yes.
Where are you? Show on the screen.
300. Oh! We just hit 7.
There we go. Ooh! And it's 10:50 on Sunday night, the 30th.
Yeah.
So I'll do the vlogging tomorrow, but we thought we'd better record this. But there's no, Raz knows there's no present for tomorrow. Whoops, what did you drop there?
That's
my present will be my vlogging for her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not expecting anything. Oh my gosh, $3.99. $9.98.
Oh. Hopefully no one unsubscribes.
They do though. People do unsubscribe.
I know. Hopefully, imagine it goes backwards.
And then goes back to 300.
Yeah. Oh, $3.99. I'm leaning to kiss you because it's gonna happen.
Oh my gosh.
All right, 1, 2, 400. Come on.
Still 10.50.
One more person. One more Filipino.
Wow, 399,999.
Come on. Oh, someone did. Oh. It went back. Oh, it went back up.
Oh, it went back
Someone
up.
did.
Oh my god.
There we go. Hold on, babe. 400.
Oh my gosh, that looks really good.
That looks cool.
Wow, thank you.
400.
Wow, that's crazy.
Good job, babe.
Thank you, guys.
Mwah. Well done, babe.
Wow.
400.
I was expecting it's gonna happen tomorrow or after New Year's.
Yeah, we had a really good vlogmas.
Yeah.
She's worked really hard this vlogmas. She's done every day. Haven't you, babe?
Yep.
Yeah, done really well. So, thank you, all her subscribers.
Now it's 400,002. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Wow, that's
cool.
That's a lot of people.
It is. Alright guys, we'll wrap it up. I'll vlog tomorrow. Alright. Night everyone. Bye.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Mwah. Good morning people.
Morning.
We just woke up 10 minutes ago.
No, I woke up an hour ago.
Did you?
Yes.
Yeah. What are we doing today?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know what we're
Is
doing.
this a cord?
What are we doing, babe? Is it a surprise?
Nothing exciting. We're gonna go out for lunch.
Okay.
And then something else as well. But don't get too excited.
What's something else?
Activity.
Go-kart?
No.
Activity? Strawberry picking?
Yeah, we're so smart.
You're the strawberry picking,
Oh no,
babe?
it's the last day. We can have lunch up there as well.
Okay.
We're doing shakes. We're not doing coffee. No coffee today.
Doing coffee.
Healthy shakes. Healthy shakes.
How do you do coffee shake?
Healthy shakes.
A healthy shake?
Yeah.
I thought you said coffee shake.
No, healthy shakes. You don't need coffee. Let's make some predictions for 2000
Prediction?
predictions.
This is so close.
This time next year, on the 31st of December 2019, how many subscribers will you have?
I don't know, babe.
I say over 650,000. My other prediction is
What?
you'll stop one of your jobs. Either YouTube or your daytime
Okay,
job.
stop. I don't like the prediction.
Oh, she doesn't like the prediction. Prediction number 3. Rachel will be pregnant
Oh!
in 2019. I'm gonna be fatter.
Good
Will I be fatter? Yeah, that's a given. Another prediction. We'll be divorced.
I think that's the best prediction.
That's a prediction. What else? Another prediction. This is predictions.
Okay.
Another
prediction.
I will upload one video to my channel. No more predictions.
Is this a promotion for your channel.
It's this. Please subscribe. My first video will be a giveaway. I'll be giving away my wife.
Is this a promotion? That's why you're vlogging on my vlog.
It is. I'm using you for your subscribers.
Are you really gonna upload a video though?
Yep.
Oh sure.
One video in 2019.
What are you gonna upload?
Huh?
A giveaway.
It'll be a giveaway.
Wife giveaway.
Wife giveaway. I like that.
Oh, babe.
Ah.
What do you want?
Want a shake?
Okay.
Let's make shakes. Welcome everybody to Daniel's cooking show. Today we're going to be making banana milkshakes. Simple recipe: 2 bananas, chichi seeds,
What?
milk, spinach, and ice.
What is this?
Chichi seeds.
Chichi seeds.
Chichi seeds.
Chia seeds.
Chichi seeds.
Okay. Is this your first time making this?
No, I made it 100 times.
With chichi seeds.
First time.
First time with chichi seeds.
First time.
We got that chia seeds yesterday, guys.
Because we're going to be eating healthy in 2019, aren't we, babe? Less coffee for you.
It's not 2019 yet.
You said you're not going to stop drinking coffee.
I didn't say I'm gonna stop. I said I will alternate. So coffee and then shake the next day. I need coffee today. We have so many things to do.
Like picking strawberries.
And then we have a party tonight, so I don't want to sleep tonight. We're partying. Actually, I need Vietnamese coffee today. Yes.
Probably could. We could on the way back.
Okay.
We could. You feel me, mate?
Yes.
So 2 bananas, handful of spinach. How much seeds did you put in?
Not much. I use a... No, don't do that.
Do you know how much?
Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Ooh, we haven't really tried this before, so...
This is bloody expensive.
I know, but that's alright. It's very healthy for you, babe.
I'm already fit.
It's supposed to fill you up. Now you put milk.
What would you describe my body as?
It's like a balloon. The more you blow, the more it grows.
Some ice. That's it.
That's it. And then you ninja it. So it looks like that. You know what? I think with the seed, you have to soak it in water overnight.
No, I didn't have time for that.
Yeah, we didn't have time for that today, but I'll start doing that next time.
You start doing that?
Yes. So you soak it, so it expands the chia seeds, and it's like a thicker consistency. Okay. And you can actually put it in a smoothie bowl. I can make that for you, my love. Smoothie bowl with some, you know, strawberries. Oh, we'll pick up strawberries too. Yes.
Have a taste.
Okay. Did you put spinach?
Yeah. That's why it's green.
No, you don't even taste the spinach, which is good.
I reckon you do.
That's healthy. But this one gives me.
Today is pick my wife's outfit. Come on, my wife.
1 second, I'm putting my...
1 second. Alright. These are some of her clothes, not all of them. Wardrobe.
You want me to wear a dress? Romper? What do you want?
I can wear a romper.
Romper?
Yeah.
How about a jumpsuit?
And you got clothes. Clothes.
Do you want me to pick the clothing and
Hello.
or do you want to choose? So this one is a romper.
Let me get the camera.
This is a dress.
Nah, could you be bending down?
Another dress. Ah, okay. Like that.
Do you like that one?
It's nice.
Okay, you can wear that one.
Which color? Darker one or light one?
Let's go with the lighter one.
Lighter one?
I know you like the darker one, but we're gonna mix it up. See how I do it high, look skinnier. There we go.
Do it from the roof.
It's blurry, my love.
It's not see-through.
Alright.
Is it see-through?
Let's get this focus. That looks better. That looks good.
You like it?
Yeah. Looks good.
There you go.
I like that colour.
Yeah, it's nice. And it's perfect length for me as well.
Yeah. That looks good. Look nice, babe.
I'm gonna put my makeup on.
Okay. Do you want to film you doing your makeup? Are you sure? Where are we going?
I don't know.
We're going to Handorf. I'm going to propose again. Are they good, my love?
They're good. Nagpunta kami dito last time, guys, and we had pork belly sandwich. That was really good, so we ordered the same thing this time.
Is it a sandwich again, though?
I don't know.
I don't know if it's a sandwich.
What is it?
I don't know. It's pork belly. We'll see.
It's good.
It's good. Pork belly, my love.
Ito yung pork belly, guys. Hindi siya same nung last time. Last time it was sandwich. Now it's pork belly with a pretzel. A big one. I'll take that.
Tell him, my love.
If a man says he will fix it, he will. There's no need to nag him every 6 months. You have to nag him every day. You should wear that.
Is that me?
That's you.
That's me?
International symbol of marriage. This is me. And you. My wife and I were happy for 20 years. Now we're no longer happy. Let's go, babe.
I got Raz a little present for 400.
It's not little.
It's little. I got her a cock, a rooster.
We'll show you guys later.
We'll show you later.
Yeah.
It's a painting.
It's really nice.
It's nice.
It's really nice.
I painted it. Are you ready to go strawberry picking? I'm filming, my love.
Hello, people.
Sunscreen in Australia, or you get burnt.
Yeah.
Oh, we're almost finished this.
No, no. This is the burrito, guys, or purito.
Burrito.
Or else I'm gonna be burned.
Do you burn?
I do.
Me too.
I burn really easily. Kumain lang kami tapos naglakad-lakad. And we got the painting. Hindi pwede mag-film kasi dun, so hindi nakapag-film si Dan, but we will show you guys the painting later.
Yes.
It's so pretty.
We should buy hooks today so we can hang it today.
Sure.
I'm in a real house mood at the moment. I want to fix everything up in the house. It's all working perfectly.
Yeah.
Everything working perfectly.
Nagalit ako sa kanya kagabi. Kahapon. Kasi ang lights, sobrang tagal ng sira. So nagalit ako eh. Sabi ko, kailan mo yan aayusin? Inayos lagi.
Are you telling how I fix the lights? I fixed them.
I told them how I got mad and then you
Crazy.
fixed
She
it.
went crazy. Statement.
Sige, ako mag-ayos. Ako nag-ayos?
She went Filipino crazy.
Of course, hindi ko kaya. Kasi paano ko naman maayos yun? Wala naman ako kalam-alam. Pero makiat ako dun, guys. Ayusin ko siya. Sabi na ko na, kuha ko ng ladder. Ayos eh. Ilang buwan na kasi yung off. Nakakainis na. So yun, inayos niya. O, diba? Kung hindi ka nagalit, hindi na ayusin. Galit. Gusto mo talaga magalit ako.
Don't believe it.
Minsan lang ako magalit.
Yes.
Ginalit mo ako eh.
You put on your legs?
Nah, I'm wearing, can you put it on my back, please? Oh, that's cold. We're picking strawberries. Sobrang init.
It's really expensive as well.
Oh, you're right.
Really
it's not
expensive.
expensive.
Really expensive.
Okay, by the time we get there, our sunscreen will be ready.
Okay.
Mr. Sun.
Sounds good.
How far is it from here?
It's 5 minutes.
Okay.
Alright, let's turn this off. Okay, we arrived at Beerenberg strawberry picking. We're following the arrows to strawberry picking, my love.
What's this for?
That's to hold our love in, and it's not big enough. But we'll put our strawberries in there.
This is too big for our love. Our love is like this much.
Our love is this big.
So you gotta follow the strawberries, babe?
Yeah, we're following the strawberry line. That's right, you got sunscreen on your shoulders, you're all good.
Yeah, I'm gonna cover my shoulder.
Okay.
Is this it?
This is it, my love. Everyone's picking strawberries.
We've got arrows everywhere where you can pick strawberries.
Let's walk down a bit further.
Okay.
Then we can pick.
So hot.
It is. First strawberry of the day, my love.
Danny picked a good one.
I did.
It looks really good. They said the trick is, well, our friends told us that the trick is you pick the small one, a small dark one, and that's the best strawberry. This one is just an average size, so we'll see. Ayan, Marsh.
Is it good?
Yep.
Good out? Okay.
That's really nice and sweet. That's really good, babe. Yum.
That is good.
Really sweet, isn't it? Yeah, Mars, good job. Alright, let's find more.
You know it's going to take forever because you're so picky when it comes to this stuff. You're like...
I am picky, aren't I?
Just think, we'll put them in milkshake. We'll put them in the shakes as well, my love.
Oh, I got a good one. So good.
That's a good one. Alright.
That's a really good one. Okay. Alright, I think I'm doing good. I have one.
Okay. You gotta get low, babe.
But it's so hot, babe. I'm just scared that I will, I'm just scared that there's worms or something.
Oh, there's plenty of worms here.
Yeah?
Worms love strawberries.
I found one. Can you pick them up? How's it going, my love?
I'm really good at this.
Wag yan, no. Parang orangey. Uy, babe, yung mga kinuha mo, mga orange naman, uy.
Ah, that's alright.
See, this is, I picked this. Sobrang red, diba? Kay Don, orange naman. Have you tasted the orange?
Oh, it tastes nice.
My gosh.
Tastes good.
Does it? Ang init, guys. Grabe, ang init talaga. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. Good job, my love. We will just fill this up and then that's it. Yeah, dalawa to actually, pero isa lang yung i-fill namin. Sobrang init na talaga. Sakit na ng katawan ko. Babe, here. Babe. Right there. Is that good? No. Ang dami dito. Grabe. Nasa ilalim. Ay, perfect. I like that one. Okay, ang init na talaga, babe. Grabe naman siya makahalungkat, uy. Perfect. Ganito siya kalaki, guys. Ano yan? Isang part lang to dito. Meron pa dun sa kabila. And marami na kaming nakuha, uy.
You can walk up this way a bit, babe.
Yeah. Dito ako sa shade kasi sobrang init. Ang sakit na ng balikat ko. Sa init. Ginanon ko na lang yung off-shoulder ko. Good luck. Mamaya. Ang daming masusarap. As in, ang sarap niya talaga, guys. Ang tamis. Yung red talaga yung piliin nyo kasi matamis. I wanna stay in the shade. Careful, babe. Si Dan, nalubog sa mud. Tatago siya, oh. Huwag kang magtago. I can see you. Good one. Yummers? Kain pa more. I can see another one. Oh, no, tsaka. Okay. Magtatago kasi sila eh. Ito ay. Tago ang isa. Ang lalim mo baka may uod. Ay! Oh, it looks so pretty. You are. Ganda to. Yan. Sarap.
So hot.
It is really hot.
It's boiling.
Grabe, ang init, guys.
How was your afternoon, my love?
It was good.
It was good?
Hot. So hot. But it's good. We have about just over a kilo of guys, strawberries. So we paid $12. So yung entrance is $4 each. $4 each. Tapos kapag bibigyan ka nila ng tab And then, paglabas mo, kung meron kang dalang strawberries, titimbangin nila. 1 kilo is $10 something.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we got like 1.1 something. So we paid around $12. Dito namin binili yung painting eye. That one there, dyan. Decor Dreams Art Gallery.
Guess where we're going?
Kmart again.
What for, babe?
We'll just buy the hooks, guys, for the painting.
Ah.
Guys, ito yung binili namin kanina. Dang, 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 dang. It's a rooster. Pinili namin siya kasi it reminds me of the Philippines. I'll show you guys kasi nirapan ni Kuya. Naka-discount kami kasi hindi naman kami tourist. So kapag nagpunta kayo ng Handor, yung mga presyo doon, mga pang-tourist na presyo, guys. So sabi ni Dan, bilhin namin cash. Magkano mag-discount namin. So naka-discount kami ng mga, malaki yung discount natin, babe? $100?
No more than that.
More than 100?
140.
Really?
It's $565. Not bad. $425.
Wow. Yeah, mahal siya, guys. Mas mahal siya sa yung sobrang gusto namin na painting sa Freedom. Kaya lang, ano kasi talaga siya, parang hindi lang siya picture lang ba, gawa talaga siya ng, like, meron talagang effort. So, yan. And perfect siya para dito. Oh, para sa kitchen, diba, guys? Oh, Char. Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you, love. Nice. I like it.
Good.
And ito yung strawberries natin. Ang bango, guys. And sobrang sarap. Matamis siya na strawberries. The best na strawberries na na-try ko dito sa Australia. Sarap, guys. Yan. Lagyan natin yun sa fridge.
She's doing another vlog tonight for the party. Annie, my love.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Sure.
You sure are? Alright, let me finish with, I have a wonderful wife, the most hard-working person in the world, and because of her, we're gonna have a good future.
Because of me.
Because of you, a little hard worker. No.
People actually believe that. It's not just because of...
I'm retiring next year.
It's not because of me.
I'm retiring.
Buang lagi ka. Amo. People believe that. It's like because of you.
Because of you, my love, I can retire at the age of 36. Am I 36? I get to retire. I love you, babe.
Love you. Thank you.
That's alright. Thank you to all the subscribers. Keep on
Thank
watching.
you, guys. Salamat. Sobrang thank you.
Alright. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.